Right now, someone is in your building where they shouldn't be. Maybe it's a visitor walking past the reception. Maybe it's a contract worker entered restricted floor. Or maybe it's an employee clocking in for a colleague that never showed up. You don't know because your current system isn't built to tell you. And that's exactly the problem. If you manage a facility, a hospital, a factory, a bank, a hotel, a research lab, a corporate office, you are dealing with same invisible risk every single day. People entering restricted areas they are not authorized to access, attendance records that don't reflect reality, and a security system that works only until it doesn't. In hospitals, an unauthorized person near the ICU or drug storage isn't a nuisance. It's a compliance failure and a patient safety risk. In manufacturing, a worker entering a restricted zone near a heavy machinery is a liability waiting to happen. In banking, unverified access to bank offices or vaults is a regulatory nightmare. In IT, one unauthorized entry into your server room can cost you more than any cyber attack. And in every single one of these industries, most companies are still relying on ID cards, pins, registers, or fingerprint scanner to prevent it. Let's talk about fingerprint scanner for a second. In a factory, workers have rough, oily, dusty hands, scanners fail. In a hospital, staff wear gloves. Scanners are useless. In a food processing plant or a pharma lab, touching a shared surface is a hygiene violation. And even when fingerprint scanners do work, they only tell you who punched in. They don't tell you where that person went after. That's not security, that's just a timestamp. What if one system could handle all of it automatically, accurately, and in real time? This is what it looks like in real time. Face scan, identity confirmed, access granted or denied in under a second. Your manager sees it live, your HR dashboard updates automatically, and if anything looks wrong, you know immediately. Most solutions in the market give you one piece of this: an attendance app or an access control device or a visitor log or an alert system. You end up paying for 4 different tools, managing 4 different vendors, and still having gaps between them. AMP Monitor gives you all 4 in one device, one dashboard, and one subscription. That's not just convenience, that's fundamentally different level of control over your workplace. Plans start at just $2.90 per user per month for larger teams, with device, mounting, setup, and 1-year warranty included. No hidden costs, no complicated integration, and your system is live and running typically within one visit. If you want to see how it works before you commit, we offer a 15 minutes live demo. You'll see the face scan, the dashboard, and access control in real time for your team and your setup. Look, if people enter your building, you have an access problem. The only question is whether you find out about it before or after something is done. AMP Monitor gives you the answer before. Click on the button below to start your free demo session today. No pressure, no commitment, just 15 minutes to find out whether it fits your facility, because the cost of doing nothing is higher than you think. Book your free demo today, ampmonitor.com. See it live, decide with confidence.